Dear viewers, welcome to our program Nakshatra Nadi. Today we have our distinguished astrologer Dr. Dinesh on our show. Dr. Dinesh has taught astrology to 11,000 people across the globe. Yes, you got it right. 11,000 people across the globe. The uniqueness of his program is he teaches astrology in just a period of 15 days time. Now, before we start our discussion with Dr. Dinesh, let us understand the different theories surrounding astrology. Many people believe astrology originated in India and it was practiced and believed only by Indians. But to our surprise, astrology finds a mention in the Babylonian civilization, Egyptian civilization, Greek and Roman civilization, medieval and Renaissance age, Chinese civilization and Mayan civilization too. There has been astrological references in the works of famous English playwright William Shakespeare and John Milton too. Of late, astrology has garnered a lot of interest across the globe among the youth. Nakshatra Nadi is a confluence of astrology, astronomy and physics too. That is why we call it as astral science. Dr. Dinesh has taken a lot of painstaking effort to design this great curriculum to teach astrology in just 15 days time. Now let us know about Nakshatra Nadi from the master himself. Dr. Dinesh, welcome to our show Nakshatra Nadi.
Namaste to everyone. Namaste.
Sir, can you just give us a small brief about yourself to our viewers?
Basically, I am from Bangalore, Karnataka. I have done my graduation from Bangalore University. Post that, I have done my MBA in sales and marketing. And I was working with various corporate segments, to name a few: Dabur, Gillette, Johnson & Johnson, then Spice Telecom, then Tata Teleservices, and for a very brief period I was with Samsung Mobiles. Of late, at the end, I was with Reliance Communication as the Deputy General Manager. Post that, I just thought, okay, let me have a break for the corporate world. So let me take up something which was fascinating me for a very long period. That was astral science, or what we call as astrology.
That's great, sir. And our viewers have emailed us some questions.
Yeah, sure.
Say they want me to ask you.
Yeah,
there has been very interesting questions. We shall just
I'll try to answer. Sure.
Run down the questions.
Yeah.
One viewer of us from Mumbai asked us a very interesting question. In fact, even I am also very enthused to know about this question. Dr. Dinesh, first of all, how did you develop this astonishing concept of teaching astrology in just 15 days time?
See, basically, if you take a mobile, we just call in seconds to a person who is staying in US. It's a technology which has made us very simple and easy methodology. If you take the earlier days, most of the astral science practitioners was having a very tedious process. They were waiting for the yearly almanac. Then through the almanac, they were calculating a lot of tedious process of calculating the process and the other stuffs which they required and which they have acquired through their forefathers. And it was a clan which used to come.
Right.
So through that, they used to take a very longer period. Since our technology has made us very easy, all the concept of the astral science are embedded in the app itself or the mobile itself, where any layman can easily understand the top portion of it. The back end, which is in the process, has been already been set. The top portion is quite easy to understand. Not to get into astronomy, not to get into any calculation of where the stars are located, not to get into what is the distance of the planets, So these were the earlier measurements which the student was taking.
Okay.
A astral science student first needs to be an astronomer, learning astronomy. So he will have a lot of calculation, what time the planetary travels, at what speed it travels, what is the distance today, and in what intervals this planet is situated in the sky. So this kind of calculation was required. Then to come to the interpretation part.
True.
Post that, what has happened now, all the calculation part, all the placement part, all the data are readily available today. It's the data readily available. The earlier one, which was more than 50 years back, the data was to be procured, processed, then interpreted.
True.
Currently, the data is readily available. You have to just read it. What is the step to read it? Which is quite simple.
Just to interpret it.
Yeah, because today, even the education system has completely changed from the black board concept to the smart board concept.
Exactly.
So they were showing by drawing and getting them an illusion and some kind of a thought that the globe is like this, our universe is like this.
True.
Now we have smart education where they can give the virtual pictures itself to
Exactly.
understand better and with understand with clarity. So that's what I had got a thought some 6 years back. So I have this experience of 30 years learning this astral science and predicting to more than 30,000 people.
That's wonderful, sir.
But somewhere I got a thought that I should teach this subject because the origin of India,
True.
where astrology has been born, many people are just discarding it. Discarding
Very
it
true.
because it's a pseudoscience. They call it as pseudoscience. Because many people, especially the non-believers, say that, okay, this is a pseudoscience and we don't believe in it. I would like to emphasize one important point. Somebody says that I don't believe a German language.
Oh, okay.
So how is it possible you can't believe unless you have not learnt it?
Obviously, yeah.
So any person who says I don't believe it in any product or any system, unless he has gone inside it, understood it, then he can comment that, okay, I don't believe it.
True.
Most of the people just randomly comment on astral science that I don't believe astrology, I don't believe astral science, it's all pseudoscience, I don't believe. Unless they have dealt with it, they have learnt it, have they applied it and experienced it.
True. Very
These are the things many people miss out and give a blank opinion saying that it's fake and it doesn't work and I don't believe.
true. Sir, and we have another question from a viewer from Delhi. He says, there is a proverb, marriages are made in heaven, but some marriages fail. Divorce rates are increasing. Why is it so? How can Nakshatra Nadi address to this, sir?
See, our so-called Rishis, they were all known as spiritual astronomers. They are not just ordinary astronomers. They were spiritual astronomers. For any product, there is an ingredient of the source.
True.
For any product. If you take a gold necklace, there is a source of the gold which was in the latent state, which became a necklace. So the necklace has got the property of the gold. If you take the sun rays has got the property of the sun. So in this basis, our life, which is from birth to death, has got some events. These events are actually driven by our birth karma itself, which we call the karma theory. So every person on the earth is chosen and the birth happens by the karma theory by the creator. Because I would like to add a little bit of a spiritual thing to here.
True, yeah,
because if there is a creation, there is a creator. Right? If somebody has set up a company, it doesn't come by itself.
Exactly.
Right? a company has been set up means it doesn't come by. Somebody cannot say, go and say that, okay, there is a company, I don't know how it has come, it has just emerged out of it. It has
Origin is
just
very
created like that. If there is a creation, there is a creator.
Absolutely true.
With this thought, we all been created, and there is a creator, and there is a master who drives us.
Very true.
And in today's life, in today's hectic life, in today's rat race life, everybody wants to achieve. With all the courses we learn, with the best institution we learn, with the best education we get, with the best investment the parents does, somewhere in our race, some of the people fail. With all the best knowledge, with all the best support system they get, they fail in many aspects. In financial planning, in the business planning, in the personal planning also.
Very true.
This is very, very important. We fail. Why do we fail? Was the thought process wrong? Was the selection wrong? No. We have given our best. But what is the karma theory says is, what we have done past has to be repented today.
Okay.
Just like throwing a stone in the middle of the river, the ripples will take time to reach the shore. That is the timeline.
True.
So whatever we have done today will definitely manifest tomorrow. A simple theory, through science, the sun rays takes 8 minutes time to reach here, which has been generated there. It has taken a time process. What we have generated before will manifest today. That is what the astral science, our spiritual masters have told. So based on this, our good thing and bad thing has been already preset and rolled over by the planets.
Very good.
Just like there are rainy seasons which has been set in motion. There is summer which is set in motion. There is winter which is set in motion. So if this cannot be usually altered, and there is a pre-set condition even for the weather. There are sometimes we get rain in the summer season that are untoward happenings which we also face. Right?
Yes, yes.
So the first and foremost thing what I say, when there is a order, there is a way. So we have a order, we have a way. In that way, we have obstacles. Those obstacles can be seen through this astral science.
Super. Thank you, sir. And one more question. People are losing jobs due to pandemics, layoffs, and also wrong decisions.
Correct.
And there are also political factors, economic factors, social factors. So one viewer wants you to answer her question. How can Nakshatra Nadi help people to get settled jobs and to get newer jobs?
See, in the pandemic period, there is one set of people who say we lost many things. And one set of people say that we gained a lot of opportunity.
True.
One is the online one, which has changed the game of the period. Universe itself. The second point which I want to insist here is, there are many changes in a period which happens in our universe, and there is changes in our individual life. There is a lot of changes. From birth to death, there is a lot of changes. So change is constant.
True. Very true.
Certain change which impacts in a huge way is always for a good. Our Rishis always tell that whatever happens is for the good only. There is pandemic which has happened, and already in my earlier YouTube I have said about the corona.
Exactly. Yes.
Which is, I didn't mention about the corona. I told a new virus is going to come in April 2019.
Correct.
So in that process, I also didn't know that, okay, it was in this large scale. But I said it that there is a virus which is going to come. But this has taken the storm, and the virus has made us think in a different angle.
Exactly. True.
That's what is important. Rather than more of damage, it has given us how to look at life in a different perspective. So is it wrong? I don't think it is wrong.
No.
It's a human error also, we can say.
Exactly.
How the virus has originated. That is what the first point is. Has it erupted? We might have made some mistakes, some human error. Through the human error, every people have got that pandemic. But this error, a human who has done, has also brought a change in many aspects. Now people are working from home. They have found out a way,
Exactly.
and there is more productivity from the home.
The world is still moving.
World is still moving. The second important point is, any company for the matter, they have a time frame. Everybody should work for 6 to 8 hours. In India, for example,
True.
at their ease and at their comfy, people are working from their home, and they are also finishing their chores, morning chores, afternoon chores easily.
Exactly.
And there is also more productivity which the company is getting, because they are finishing the day by that time, because there is also a saving of the people commuting.
Exactly.
There is a lot of savings on the fuel, people traveling across. There is a lot of saving on the carbon emission from the vehicle. Many things have been changed.
True.
So we have to take this in a positive way. It's in a disguise of blessings.
Every crisis has an opportunity.
Yeah, and getting job, losing job is the process of our life. And is it not before our pandemic, many people have not lost in many jobs. There are many companies which has closed down without the pandemic also.
True. 100%.
They have not performed well, or their accountancy or whatever you call the statistics has gone wrong, and the company has shut down. Many people have gone out, and they are finding in a different company.
True,
So
sir.
pandemic has given a blanket thing in reducing the job opportunity, but it has opened new avenues.
True,
which I can
very
say.
true.
It has opened new avenues. Like my classes are conducted online,
True.
which I was doing offline.
Offline.
I was traveling a lot. People also were coming there. So here, at the comfort from their
Homes.
they are learning. So this is the advantage I have got now.
Exactly. Sir, another very interesting question is there from a viewer from Chennai.
Okay.
He is asking about the theory of cognition. Cognition is a mental process of thinking, knowing, judging, and decision making. So the viewer wants to know, how can Nakshatra Nadi help for better cognition, that is, better decision making in life?
Yeah, definitely. See, already I mentioned earlier that the process is set from birth to death through the Dasha system, where our learned scholars have given us. When there is a already predefined, so it's just like this. You already have a GPS with you, and you want to reach one destiny from one place to other place, and the GPS will tell you where is the traffic. There is a red mark over there, and where is the deviation you have to take because of some work process or under construction which has been happening in certain places, and what is the timeline it takes to reach there. All will be preset in that GPS.
Exactly.
Even our astral science, based on the birth time and the birth date, the planetary motion gives us a GPS and says, in each phases of your life, from education, the job, or the business, or the married life, or the childbirth, or the health, or the litigation, gives and set a motion that this is all you are going to get, and this is what you are not going to get. Please plan your journey. Simple.
Thank you, sir. And there is another interesting question from our Bangalore viewer. He is asking about Nakshatra Nadi's relevance in students' life. He says students don't know which course to pick based on their interest. They are blindly following others and blaming others for their failures.
Yeah.
He says he has seen a 50-year-old man still fighting with his father and mother, blaming that they pushed him to a course without asking him, and he is thinking that he is still a failure.
Okay.
So how can Nakshatra Nadi help the student community, sir? Courses.
Sure.
So due to peer pressure.
When we travel across in the road, it shows there is a right turn to this city. There is a left turn to this city. And by force and by the society's direction, many people want to get into engineering, many people want to get into medical. And one important point I just wanted to note that there are around 10 lakh people every year appear for the UPSC exam.
Oh.
10 lakh. And it's only 700 out of the 10 lakh. These 10 lakh people will have lot of aspirations. They invest a lot on the tuitions which they go in.
Exactly.
And they lose the prime youth part,
Exactly.
which is very, very important. People have not understood this. Even the many political people or the economists have not actually get into this. 10
All
lakh
wants to
people.
become bureaucrats.
Yeah, because this 10 lakh people, it's a speculative thing.
True.
Is that not that 700 people who have already achieved and they have got into the IAS cadre, other balance 9 lakhs people are not worth? Yes, definitely they are worth.
They're worth.
They have written the exam, but there is a hierarchy which the government has set. The rest all people, with a hope, they try, and it's not once. They try for 4 to 5 years. If they have completed their degree by 21 or 22, for next 5 years they try. Because even the parents would have that interest. They would also have to have a vision of their son becoming a IAS officer or KS officer, whatever it might be. Based on this, that golden 5-6 years has been spent, and somewhere it has gone. Then it says we have lost the train.
Exactly, sir.
Okay, we have missed the train. So what happens here? If I am a BE graduate, if I have entered a new company for a stipend, over 5 years he would have gained experience. He would at least change 2 or 3 companies, and by that time he would have become a senior engineer.
Exactly.
But this guy who has went into this lost the hope of this UPSC, what we call that IAS, what we do that.
Civil
He has lost
services. Civil services.
civil services exam, whatever that. He has lost hope. Then he thinks back, how to come back to my engineering subject and get into that. So what will he say in the interview wherever he goes? And he has lost that mind also.
Exactly.
Technology will keep on updating. Whatever the learning process, it's keep on updating. What you have learnt last will not be the same today. You cannot apply the same theory what you have learnt earlier, because there are many things which have changed even in the engineering studies. What we were learning 15 years back in engineering, the same subject is not there today.
It is not relevant.
It's not relevant also. So based on this process, the golden period of them is lost, and our astral science help us that they are going to win that subject or not.
Exactly. That is very important, sir.
Okay, this is very important. And this has proven people, that's what I was telling you right earlier. I don't believe, they say, unless you have learned this and you have experienced this, you cannot say I cannot believe this.
Exactly.
So many people out of 11,000 students who have learned, they are not just seeing themselves, they have started helping the others in the society.
That's wonderful.
And they say, and they are all saving the golden major period of the youngsters.
Exactly, sir.
If somebody is very interested in arts, he wants to get into photography, he wants to get into business. People forced to do engineering, people forced to do some agriculture sciences, but he will not be interested.
Exactly.
Somebody, my aunt, my uncle, everybody says that everybody are in engineering, my entire family is an engineer, you should also become engineer. And he gets into it, and he will have a lot of backlogs in the engineering background, and at the fag end he just gives up his hand.
Exactly.
And at least he could have taken some other management courses, or he could have taken up some creative courses, because many people are having a living in all the other fields also.
Definitely.
It's nothing that only a engineering graduate is earning very well. There are many people where there is a startup have done very well. There are agriculturists who are also they have done their BE, they are into agriculture and making a lot of money.
Exactly.
There are many, many areas. So these areas can be identified from our astral science and
Wonderful,
told that this is the line you can try. This is the signpost.
And there is a question from our viewer from Pune. So it is also a very interesting question. How can Nakshatra Nadi help people to know more about their behavioral traits and temperaments?
See, for any birth which happens, we always say that there is an impact of the planets. Like I would like to just emphasize, even the medical fraternity also is puzzled. There are many people who are in the mental asylum, and even the mental people, even the doctor is not able to diagnose the correct issue and correct it. They only say it's a mental illness. There is no correction for it. So with so much of advance in medical field, and we were not able to figure out what makes certain people lunatic.
True.
They have not caused the root cause. They are treating the symptoms, but they are not treating the root cause. And sometimes it will not happen also. Just like if you expose your body to the sun rays, the rays affects you, and you might get a skin cancer, they say, or you might get tanned in a simple logic. There is an effect which you expose. At the same way, our birth time, when we are born, the planetary also has got an effect on the mental aptitude and the attitude. Aptitude and the attitude, both.
Exactly.
So the behavior changes. So there are many people, some people who get into criminal activities. Some people get into social activities. Some
Antisocial.
people, anti-social and the social activities, both.
Okay.
I'm talking about both.
Both,
There are some good and bad. I'm talking
Exactly.
about. There are some people get into spirituality. There's some people get into technology. Some people get into economics. Some people get into commerce. Some people get into arts. What is driving all this to get into that? By birth itself, somebody will say that at a certain age, he says, I will become a pilot. After 5 years, he will say, I will become a marine engine. After, by the time he comes to 10th, he says, I will get into business. There are 3 different things which has happened in that last 10 years, which has gone through. And suddenly, he'll land up as a sales job and going to shop and selling some products. And where is the dream which has went into becoming a astronaut or becoming a pilot?
Exactly.
Everything has gone. But there are certain planets which drive us. This is your job and this is what the line you have to go. Because the entire system which has been created as per our rishis, there are lot many things which has to be taken care by certain set of people. So he allocates which is predefined. This secret our rishis has given us. This secret can be seen like a see-through window and have a vision. Okay, this area my charts are showing, my astral charts are showing. This is the area where I can make money, where I can be happy, and where I can satiate my vision and mission. So based on this, our charts through this 15 days course helps us to know this is the area which if I take up, I can be happy.
Great. Sir, and tell us more about your Nakshatra Nadi app and how it works.
See, basically, I have been teaching this astral science from the last 6 years. And many people, we were using the other available apps from the Play Store and explaining about the planetary positions and their involvement in our day-to-day activity and how it affects our mankind in all the areas like what I have mentioned earlier, like education, job, till health. So of late, there was a lot of calculations which in my system we used to do. So to make it very easy, and even a layman should know in what direction we had to go. Just like the India has given a Arogya Setu app, where you can just check your health status.
Correct.
So it's the app. So even my app, which I launched, shows what is the current period. Is it a good period or a bad period? If somebody wants to take a land, and planets definitely help us to tell about the good period or the bad period. This is my experience and my 11,000 students' experience. So these planets will help us to decide is the right time to buy the property, because there are many people who get into property, they buy it, and off late they get into litigation and it drags for 10 years and they would have invested their hard-earned money.
Exactly.
This is where this helps us. This app helps us,
really great.
and which is also instant. Furthermore, many people also, as an example which I can quote, many people invest in shares. And there are people who guide us to which company to put based on their experience.
True.
You don't put this will go down, you will put here, or you just stay out, don't touch. Because completely it is not it has crashed or whatever they say in their language. Same way, our planet helps us and our app helps us in a smooth life.
Superb. Sir, and what are the different courses you offer?
See, basically, to create interest, I start with the basic course for 15 days. And in 15 days, they can predict themselves. Through my app also it is possible. And 11,000 people in that, many people have given the testimony that whatever they have seen back, what they have experienced back based on their time of marriage or some setbacks which have they got, loss of job which have got, and it is almost apt that our astral science is indicating that there is a problem at that particular time. And they have also come back and said that whenever I got a job, whenever I got an increment, there is an indication which is showing. And this is where the word of mouth is spreading. And no doubt, when I started my teaching, it was just 85 people. And I did not go about telling people that come join. These 85 people were the word of mouth to the next set.
Super.
That's how in 5 years 11,000 people have created. Because suddenly even a university cannot get 11,000 students to their university in 5 years. It's impossible. 11,000 students. And this 11,000 students, it has gone through the word of mouth because they have experienced, they have seen my classes, they have understood my classes, they have experienced it, and they have got my app. Through the app, they are seeing the reality, then telling to others that yes, please join this class and make your life beautiful.
Okay. And another important question which the viewers wants to know is, so is there any eligibility to attend your classes? Who all can attend it?
See, basically, I don't keep any eligibility. As a matter of fact, a 10th passed out guy who can use common sense and apply for his life and take this as a tool. That's what I can see the main criteria. It's nothing to do with you should be a graduate or you should be something else. Because it's a very simple 9 planets, 27 nakshatras and the 12 rashis which I explain and interpret that.
Lastly, your message to our viewers.
See, I would like to say our Indian heritage, which has got a very rich heritage and culture, which has given Ayurveda to the world. And it has also given the zero, which is very important to the world. And there are many first things which our India has given to the world. Even astrology also is the number one. As you mentioned in the starting that many other civilizations have dealt that there is some effect from the planets and the stars. Taking that cue, I would like to say that learn this subject and you can apply it to your life. And life is all about smooth life, happy life. Because happiness cannot be purchased. Happiness cannot be purchased. Because people say that I can give money. People say that I can buy a costly bed, but you can't buy sleep. Right? I can buy a very expensive food, but you cannot buy appetite.
True.
There are many things. You can buy an expensive car, but you can not avoid the traffic.
Very true, very true.
So based on this, our astral science classes will give a very route map into the inroads of your life. And it works as a GPS for a person who wants to have a planning. It works as a GPS for his planning, and it gives the timeline, what time to what time the good time, what time to what time the bad time, and it will give a smooth functioning of the life.
Okay, sir. Thanks a lot for coming on to our show and giving such rich insights to our viewers. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you all.
Dear viewers, thanks a lot for watching our Nakshatra Nadi program. Register to the classes and become experts in astral science. Thank you so much.